Iron Age. Unveiling the transition to a new era of civilization. The Iron Age marks a significant period in human history when iron became the predominant metal used for tools, weapons, and various other applications. This era witnessed significant advancements in technology, social structures, and cultural developments. Exploring the Iron Age provides valuable insights into the transformative changes that occurred during this time. Metallurgical Revolution. The emergence of iron as a widely used metal revolutionized various aspects of human civilization. Understanding the metallurgical processes employed during the Iron Age sheds light on the technological advancements and innovations that led to the production of stronger and more versatile tools and weapons. Iron Age settlements. Examining the Iron Age settlements helps unravel the evolving patterns of human habitation, urbanization, and social organization. Transition from small-scale farming communities to fortified settlements and complex urban centers reflects the changing socio-economic dynamics and power structures of the time. Iron Age warfare and defense. The availability of iron weapons had a profound impact on warfare strategies and defense mechanisms. Studying military technologies, fortifications, and the organization of armies during the Iron Age provides insights into the geopolitical landscape and interregional conflicts of the era. Trade and exchange networks. The Iron Age witnessed the expansion of trade networks and increased connectivity between different regions. Exploring trade routes, cultural exchanges, and the movement of goods offers a deeper understanding of economic interdependence, cultural diffusion, and the emergence of long-distance trade networks. Iron Age art and craftsmanship. Artistic expressions and craftsmanship during the Iron Age reveal the cultural aesthetics, religious beliefs, and social identities of ancient civilizations. Analyzing pottery, metalwork, jewelry, and other art forms provides glimpses into the artistic achievements and cultural heritage of Iron Age societies. Social structures and governance. The Iron Age brought about significant changes in social structures, including the rise of complex hierarchical systems, political centralization, and the emergence of early states. Investigating governance structures, social hierarchies, and ruling institutions contributes to our understanding of ancient political systems and power dynamics.